Met a bird from those far away. You could tell it's something to tell. Like an echo, so graceful and clear, so far away, but still so near. The birds sing a song about love and fear, about darkness and light with his tears. Came to an end that he sang it again until his sins seemed to appear. So close your eyes, things before now. Let the world sing a song about the people who lived here before. The people who lived and the people who died. They're saying we got some things to learn. Let the world sing a song about the people who lived here before. The people who lived and the people who died. We're saying we got some things to learn. No place rest in your eyes. Just think about travels from the past. She sees a mother struggling, trying to keep her child near, like in a haze, but still so clear. So close your eyes. Let things before now, and I will close my eyes, and I will let things be. Let the world sing a song about the people who lived here before. The people who lived and the people who died. We're saying we got some things to learn. Let the world sing a song about the people who lived here before. The people who lived and the people who died. We're saying we got some things to learn. We're saying we got some things to learn.
Bianca, framför allt. Så gjorde allt möjligt.